Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to discuss about Tersano SAO dispenser and how it can be a beneficial dispenser for the dairy farming and the poultry farming industry. Let us first check a video and then we will explain further.
Welcome. Together with your employer, Terzano is excited to introduce you to a new and improved way to clean, making your work environment safer, happier, and healthier. Today, we are here to introduce you to stabilized aqueous ozone, also known as SAO. This cleaning and sanitizing solution is produced by the Lotus Pro dispenser and is your toxin free alternative to chemical cleaners, working faster and more effectively than chemicals while being safe for people and the planet. Let's show you how it works. Cold tap water enters the SAO cartridge. The treated water leaves the cartridge and enters the dispenser. Inside the dispenser, electricity transforms air, or O2, into O3. This extra oxygen atom is where we get all of our natural cleaning power. The O3 is infused into the water, creating SAO, a cleaner, deodorizer, and sanitizer. Stronger than bleach, yet harmless to you and our planet. SAO leaves the dispenser to fill mop buckets, spray bottles, and other cleaning equipment. Now let's see it in use. The solution is harmless to people, but deadly to dirt, grime, and germs. Once cleaning and sanitizing is complete, ozone returns to its original state of oxygen and water, leaving no toxins, no fumes, and no residue, providing a healthier and more enjoyable work environment. We also keep our planet safe by not dumping these chemicals down the drain, which eventually lead into our waterways. Wondering what this does for you? By using the Tersano SAO, you are reducing your exposure to chemicals and your chance of injury at work. It is simple to use and allows you to clean all surfaces with just one product. Getting started is easy. When using the Tersano SAO dispenser, turn the flow switch to on. You will see a green System Ready light to assure you that everything is functioning properly. Please wait until you see this green light before you start filling. The dispenser is now dispensing SAO for filling spray bottles, flat mops, auto scrubbers, carpet extractors, and any of your equipment used for cleaning of all surfaces. The only products Tersano SAO does not replace is your hospital-grade disinfectant. This is needed for special situations. The other product you will still need is a heavy-duty deep cleaner, which you will need once a week or once every 2 weeks to take care of stains like a toilet bowl ring. The SAO 24 cartridge is approved as a cleaner for up to 6 days and as a sanitizer for up to 24 hours. Make sure you follow your manager's instructions on when to prepare fresh bottles. SAO can clean multiple surfaces effectively. Floors via mop or auto scrubber. Windows and other glass. Stainless steel. Shelving. Counters. Sinks and toilets. Displays. Carpets. Outdoor areas. The Tersano SAO is simple, safe, and easy to use. If you get it on your skin, in your eyes, or even ingest it, there is no harm done. When using the Tersano SAO, there are some things you could encounter. A replace stabilizer notification light. When the notification light flashes, it is time to notify your manager as it is nearly time to change the stabilizer. Once the light is solid, solution will not dispense and it is time to change the cartridge and blue filter. Used cartridges are collected back by Tersano as they are 100% recyclable. Thank you to your employer, managers, and you for doing your part in helping change the way the world cleans. Today, you are joining hundreds of healthcare facilities, airports, schools, hotels, and stores around the globe that are using the Tersano system and helping to eliminate chemical use in the workplace. It's because of you that the world will be cleaner, safer, and a better place to live.
So that was an interesting presentation and video. Okay, so how it can be applicable to dairy farming? So this solution, it can be very powerful cleaner and sanitizer, and it kills 99.99 pathogens on the surface tools, and it can clean the animal areas also, and it is a chemical free cleaning, and it can improve the animal health, the washing equipment or the milking equipment, the vehicles and the tools, and it can prevent the diseases and disease prevention. It can be used as a disease prevention, and also sanitizing the livestock and poultry and other feeding stations. And it is a cost effective, and it's like eco-friendly solution, because it's made of water, normal water, and it is made to O3. And um, that's it. So it's versatile applications are possible, like in milking equipment, feeding area, storage tanks, and even in the farm vehicles. Or so this is very nice technology. Thank you for watching this video.